Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In the previous video, you saw how to create an OpenAI account to use ChatGPT. In this video, you will see how to download and install ChatGPT app in mobile phone. You can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. So let's start now. If you want to download ChatGPT in your mobile, if you want to install ChatGPT in your mobile and then you want to use that, then you can directly install it from Google Play Store by going to this Google Play Store, and you need to search here ChatGPT, because now ChatGPT is available for Android user and iOS user. You can see ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI and you can just install that. But if you have any doubt, you can just go to your browser and open this URL openai.com, and then open this, click on menu, click on this product, and then click on ChatGPT. Once you click on that, it will redirect to you this screen, and then you can see here we have this option ChatGPT for iOS and Android is available in these countries and regions. So if you want to check, you can see there are two buttons here, download on the App Store and get it on Google Play. So I am using Android version, so I am going to click on this get it on Google Play. Once I will click on that, it will redirect to the same ChatGPT application in Google Play Store, and then you can directly install it from here. So I just click on that install. Let it download this, and then now it's going to install. Now it is installed. Let me close this, and you can come to this, and you can see this is ChatGPT. You can see this icon. Let me open this. If you already have an account on this OpenAI, so you can click on login. If you don't have an account, you can click on continue with Google, continue with Apple, sign up with email. So I'm going to click on login. If you don't know, just go through the previous video, click on login now. And then here it's asking me to continue logging. So I will click on continue with Google, and then I will click on that. And now you can see welcome to ChatGPT. Click on continue, and then you can see we are ready to use ChatGPT in your mobile. You can see, let me just write here. Okay, let's click on that. Now you can see here it's writing a SQL query for you to create a table. If you want to learn Blue Prism, please visit my YouTube channel youtube.com/blueprismrpa. And also, if you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy and you want to get certificate, you can search for my Blue Prism course there, that is Blue Prism RPA complete course. I will also put the link in my video description. You can go through there. Thank you.